What is up, Surefit fam? You already know the vibes. If you want to be a part of the family, it is so simple, so easy. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get these banging braids. Now, when I was doing my braids, I tried to look up a video of how to get these type of braids, lemonade style braids, and I wasn't getting no like real videos that was helping me out, especially because I was so confused on how this goes all the way around and doesn't come all the way up here to braid, and it comes to the side and falls. That's the part I was super confused about. And so once I figured it out, I was like, you know what, I'm a YouTuber, so I'm gonna make a video anyway, but I'm gonna make a video to literally explain to them how to get your braids to fall on the side without being stuck to the front of your head. So without further ado, let's just get started in the video. Like well, on the right image, maybe. You think he's cute?
I don't think that means look bad.
No, I don't think so either. Oh,
Hey. Is it recording now?
yeah.
Oh. You go fast forward that, huh?
I can, unless you just really want to be in it.
No, I'm saying because you're doing a voiceover, that's what I'm saying. Because this is taking 6 hours.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, round of applause for you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Comment any questions or concerns that you may have. And follow your girl on Instagram at Surefit Johnson. I'm trying to get my follow game up. Okay, so go ahead and help me out. Until next time, you guys. Peace.